Hello everyone, welcome back to another review. Today we're taking a look at this wireless backup camera. Let's open it up, show you guys what you get. Nice little manual in here. This is the display unit. What it looks like. And some more accessories. This is what the cam looks like. Make sure you peel off the plastic that is covering the lens. But this is what the cam looks like. Suction cup for the mount. It comes with all the brackets and all of the mounts that you guys will need. Your 12-volt cigarette power supply. And all the connectors you need. You have an on and off button for the 12-volt. Make sure you plug in your antennas and let's set it up.